Hi there, folks. This is Chris with Chris's Trains and More. Boy, do I got something great to tell everybody. I had a couple of my subscribers actually give me some of their trains. First up was Robert from Ashtabula that he wanted to give away part of his collection, and I reached out to him. And when I found out that he was one of my subscribers, that made me even more happier. But I was just blown away at everything that he gave me. Everything that you see on top of the counter is what he gave me. There's 23 engines, there's several different freight cars, and there's all kinds of new parts and wiring for some of the locomotives that are sitting here on the case. I was just blown away that he was willing to give me such a big part of his collection. It just goes to show you meet some great people in this hobby. Let's take a little bit closer look at some of the trains. Right here we got a couple of pre-wars. There's a 259 and a 258. The 258 has the whistling tender. I didn't have either one of these in my collection, and I am very happy to have them in my collection now. Several other Lionel locomotives. We have an 1101. We have a 1655, a 1664 that actually has another boiler that's in a little bit better shape. I am just blown away for him to have given me these. There's a 1666. He has the new eccentric rods and some new wheels and pilots to go on this. And just moving on down the line here. Looks like we got an early Scout engine. Not sure about the number on that. The number's actually been removed. We got an 8040. We got an 8705, 8803 with the tender. And then we got some Marks tin plate, which these are in pretty nice shape. And these are running, quite a few of them. They're still going to need some cleaning and oiling, but I was just blown away that he gave me all these trains. Some really cool ones here. This is an all metal one, $9.99. Here's a 666. These are all Marks engines. And then this one's a new one that I don't remember ever seeing. A 6000 Marks. And this thing actually runs pretty good. I was amazed. Cleaned it up a little bit. She took right off. Here's some of the different box cars and cabooses. And then all kinds of new parts. We get the new eccentric rods, new pilot wheels, more parts for the valve gears and everything. Here's a pilot still in the plastic. All kinds of MPC era diesel wheels. A wind up mechanism. We got a K-line. Might end up using that on the Canadian National. Actually, I forgot to show everybody that. There's a Canadian National 228. This would have been originally all green. Kind of a rare find, but unfortunately somebody spray painted it silver. We got the Baby Ruth post-war. And then we got a couple of K-line cars. And last but not least, you got a little bit of American Flyer over here. Got an old pre-war tanker car, and then some post-war S-gauge. And he also gave me a bunch of plastic model plane kits new inbox. So we'll have to put some of these together and make some flat loads. Along with a box of freight cars. All kinds. Yeah, I'm really just blown away. And then one of my other subscribers, Corey from Paynesville, he gave me a couple of sets that he had when he was a kid. We got the Dale Earnhardt Jr. complete set. It's even got the helicopter. You can see we had these running. And then he gave me a Coast Guard set. This is pretty cool. Neither one of these did I have. I think he said that he had this train when he was a kid. This is kind of fun. The radar antenna turns when it's going around, and the little screen on here lights up. It's kind of neat. Definitely really cool. Just blown away that both of these gentlemen were willing to gift these trains to me. Just shows, I mean, the great people that you can meet in this hobby. I have to say, I'm really moved that they were willing to give me those trains like that. I mean, I don't even know if I'm really deserving of them, but I will do my best to keep them running and to treasure them, and to thank you so much for being so kind in order to think about me and to give me part of your train collection. I know my train collection is very special to me, so, and for somebody to think that much in order to pass them on, I don't even know what to say. I just want to say thank you so much. I appreciate all my subscribers out there, all the kind words that you guys are always giving me. And I mean, I'm doing my best to try to make videos, but sometimes it's a little hard with life going on, a full-time job, taking care of the Airbnbs, still having some downtime, still spending time with the wife. It's kind of hard to manage everything. So I'm not getting the content out as much as I'd like to, but I just want to let you know I am thinking about you guys out there, and I appreciate all of you. Shout out to all my subscribers. Thank you for all your kind words of encouragement. And as always, thanks for watching.